Students, welcome back to your EVS 2 lesson. Last week we learned about the saints. Today we will learn about the Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. This was the period of unrest as the saints preached devotion to God. The brave Maratha Sardars were traditional to show their braveries. There was a craze, the period of unrest among the Maratha Sardars. During this time, two sultans, Sultan Adil Shah of Bijapur and Sultan Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar were there. They have divided Maharashtra and both of them were ruling Maharashtra. Now, they both were enemies, sworn enemies of each other. And whenever they decided to have a war between them, they used to send the Maratha Sardars to fight among themselves. The Marathas were brave, fearless, loyal to their masters. Among themselves, there were some Sardars, those were very famous, and they were Jadavs of Sindh-Khed, Nimbalkars of Fulton, Ghorpades of Mudhal, Mauryas of Javli, Bhosles of Verul. Yes? So they all were very famous. But all of these Sardars, they were brave, loyal, but they never decided to unite and fight for their own country, for their own people, but they were serving to the other people. Yes? So during this time, they became very famous. Yes? Now there was a temple, the temple of Guruneshwar, which was near Vellore. This temple was almost in a very, like it was collapsing. The walls were broken, the temple all were collapsing. And the priest also, means the people were not going to worship over there because the condition was very bad. The walls, anytime the temple would fall. So there was a person who used to go and worship. He was the great devotee of Lord Shiva. He used to go and worship in this temple. When he saw the state of the temple, he felt very sad. So he decided to repair the temple on his own expenditure. So he started repairing the temple and the temple was repaired. Now, do you know who was this person? He was Maloji Raje. Who was he? Maloji Raje. Now, who was Maloji Raje? Maloji Raje was the son of Bajaji Raje, eldest son of Bajaji Raje, and his younger son was Vithoji Raje. Yes, and they were serving Sultan Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar. So, as I told you, they were very brave and they were fearless. So, they were helping, they were working, they were serving Nizam Shah. And because of them, the Jagirs of Nizam Shah started extending because of the bravery of Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje. So, Nizam Shah conflict the Jagir of Pune, Supe, Pargana upon to Maloji Raje. Now, Maloji Raje got married to Umabai. Umabai, she was the daughter from the Nimbalkar family of Fulton. Yes? And then, these two, Maloji Raje and Umabai, they had two sons. Elder one was Shahaji Raje and younger one was Sharifji Raje. Yes. Elder one was Shahaji Raje and younger one was Sharifji Raje. Now, as I told you that Maloji Raje was very brave, fearless. Yes? And during that time, the Sardars, they were very loyal to their masters. So they went in the war. Yes? Against the Mughal emperor. Now the Mughal emperor from Delhi, he wanted to take over the Nizam Shahi kingdom. Along with Adil Shah, they have sent the army. Yes? And then Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje, they fought very bravely. And Maloji Raje, he died in the war. Maloji Raje, he expired in the war at Indapur. They won the war, but Maloji Raje, he expired. Now, Vithoji Raje took care of Shahaji Raje and Sharifji Raje. When Maloji Raje died, when he expired that time, Shahaji Raje was just 5 years old. So, Vithoji Raje, he took care of Shahaji Raje and Sharifji Raje and took care of their Jagir also. After some time, when they grew up, so Shahaji Raje too was very brave, very fearless, very loyal. He was serving to Nizam Shah. And over here in Nizam Shahi kingdom, Malik Ambar was the Wazir. That means the minister, chief minister. And both of them started working for Nizam Shah. Now, the Sultan of Nizam Shah became more powerful. His Jagir was increasing because these two brothers were very strong, very brave, and along with them Malik Ambar too was working with them. Now this, on the other side, Adil Shah of Bijapur and the Mughal emperor, they wanted to take away all the Nizam Shah. They were not happy with this. So constant war was there between Nizam Shah and Adil Shah, and the Maratha Sardar used to serve them. Over here, Shahaji Raje was working for Nizam Shah, and Malik Ambar, Nizam Shah was very impressed by Shahaji Raje. Malik Ambar started getting jealous about Shahaji Raje because Shahaji Raje was becoming very famous among the Marathas, then the Shahs, and all this news. Because of this news, Malik Ambar, who was the Wazir, the chief minister of Nizam Shah, started getting jealousy, and there was little conflict between both of them. Over here in the same Nizam Shahi kingdom, Lakhoji Zada of Sindhkhed too was the very famous Sardar in the court of Nizam Shah. He had a daughter, Jijabai. Jijabai was the daughter of Lakhoji Zada. Vithoji Raje proposed to Lakhoji Raje for the marriage of Shahaji Raje and Jijabai. They both got married, and Lakhoji Zada too accepted this because during that period Shahaji Raje was becoming very famous among the Shahs. So he got married to Jijabai. Now over here, day by day, the differences between Shahaji Raje and Malik Ambar was increasing, and because of this, Nizam Shah too started losing hope and confidence in Shahaji Raje. The result was that Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and went and joined Adil Shah. Yes, Adil Shah of Bijapur. He started serving to Adil Shah of Bijapur. Now over here, again as I told that Shahaji Raje was very brave, yes, and fearless, so he went there. So now the powers of Adil Shah started increasing, and on the other side, the Nizam Shahi kingdom was becoming powerless day by day. Over there, Malik Ambar too expired and his son took over the charge. But here, the more brave Sardars were not working for Nizam Shahi because Shahaji Raje, Sharif Ji Raje have already left and they have joined Adil Shah. Looking at this, Shahaji Raje now becoming very famous in the Adil Shahi kingdom, and Adil Shah conflict the title of Sir Lashkar to Shahaji Raje. He conflict the title looking at the work, good work of Shahaji Raje. He gave him the title of Sir Lashkar. Sir Lashkar means the head of the army. Yes. Now, Nizam Shahi kingdom was becoming powerless. Looking at this, and Nizam Shah also, like, he was not having nice, good, powerful Sardars. So, Ma Sahib of mother of Nizam Shah went and spoke to Shahaji Raje to come back. She requested Shahaji Raje to come back in the Nizam Shahi kingdom and work for them. Now on the request of Badi Sahib, that is mother of Nizam Shah, Shahaji Raje left Adil Shahi kingdom and came back to Nizam Shah's kingdom. That is, came back to Nizam Shahi. In this lesson, we have learned till here. On the other side, Sharif Ji Raje too was been killed in the battle. Yes, and Shahaji Raje left Adil Shahi kingdom and came back to Nizam Shahi kingdom. Now, in this lesson is still here. In the next lesson, we will learn about the childhood of Shivaji. Before that, I will just explain you all once again the family tree of the Bhosles. Bajaji Raje had two sons. His elder son was Maloji Raje and the younger son was Vithoji Raje. Maloji Raje got married to Umabai, the daughter of Nimbalkar of Fulton. They too have two sons. The elder one was Shahaji Raje and the younger one was Sharifji Raje. Shahaji Raje got married to Jijabai. She was the daughter of Lakhoji Sadhav, who he too was working for Nizam Shah. He too was a very famous Sardar of Nizam Shahi kingdom. So Jijabai was daughter of Lakhoji Zadhav of Sindh Kher. Now Maloji Raje, when he died in the battle at Indapur, Vithoji Raje, he took care of Shahaji Raje and Sharifji Raje. When Maloji Raje expired, that time Shahaji Raje was just 5 years old. Later on, he too became very famous like his father Maloji Raje. So, this is the lesson, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. Now, in the next lesson, we will learn about the Shivaji's childhood. Thank you.